both.
Ken, the cookies on the back of Ken's car.
Keep the place open.
You go to the Point Diner.
And then?
Ford's pastry. They have cookies the size of your face. Wow, it seems like they might be a little bit behind. They might have to get organized. That's your cute laugh. Try it again. You ready? Can you stick this on your fridge?
You can.
Is the magnet on the battery or that?
That's a good question. We don't know.
Does it connect? Can connect?
That's aluminum. Anybody got a credit card I can erase?
And Ken's going to be receiving one sometime, right? Sometime.
Maybe Skydio. Come on, Skydio. Get on the ball.
Yeah, Skydio. Come on. This man has 100,000 views. I mean, subscribers to the channel. Give him one.
I think they saw where I smashed that other drone.
Well, we could take that video down, can't we?
You know, the company wanted me to.
Yeah.
They sent me an email saying, if we send you another one, will you take the video down? I said, sure. Then I got the drone, and they said, when are you going to take the video down? I said, never.
The blood doesn't splatter too far now. There's Ken, hand catching a Skydio 2. This is a YouTube first, right? Uh-oh. Now be careful now. Whoa!
It really wants to avoid you.
It wants to avoid me. So it's just like women.
We're on low battery. We better just one last try.
Oh, here we go. Here it comes. Ken, grab it and hold on. Oh! Watch the fence there.
You gotta land it regularly?
Yeah, we're on low battery. We better just land it.
Here it comes.
I prefer to see Thursday Night Live with all 10 fingers.
Yes.
Now we gotta hit that button.
It's got an auto land feature?
Yeah. I know you can't just hold the stick down. You have to hit that button on the screen.
Okay.
And then it turns off itself?
And then it turns off itself.
Huh.
Hey, Ken, what's the name of that pizza place we're going to? Preps Pizza. Preps Pizza with Ken Heron.
Have you ever had Preps?
No, Manco's our standby.
Preps Pizza has a secret ingredient that I found out what it is.
Oh, yeah? You want to tell us?
Yeah, I'll tell you. They'll deny it. It's
Ken's favorite pizza place, and it's closed. Everybody say hello to Henry.
Smell my puppy? Yeah. Yep. Oh, he's so cute.
Yeah.
He's so cute.
I like something about your shoes there.
Yeah.
My dog. I'm sure he's smelling my dog.
Pick him up here. He needs reassurance. So I hold him. He's like a min pin chihuahua thing. It would have been a road pizza if I didn't take him off the road. I was just coming down the interstate from a job interview on an interstate, and he's walking down the interstate.